Yeah, today I've got a parcel from my friend Mr. Deepak Soni, who is a great flute maker from Haryana. This is the packet. It's nicely packed and it has come very fast.
Pink one.
Very well packed parcel for a new flute which I have ordered from him. I'm quite excited because this is a flute not of bamboo but of acrylic. There are a lot of this. And now comes out the case for this. It's a nice black case, as you see it. Can you see the nice black case? And it has got a nice small chain, and I'm opening the chain now, and I'm quite excited to find my new flute. Oh wow, it has come out now. Can you see my new acrylic flute? Beautiful, isn't it? It's a beautiful flute with nice colored decorations on it. Wow, there it is. And there are two new things in this flute. This is a A-bass flute and it's in completely acrylic. So the advantage is, unlike the wooden bamboo flutes, it's not going to crack or get damaged, and if it's made once, it will be the perfect thing forever. Secondly, even though it is a bass flute, the spacing of these holes has been kept specially small so that I can play it, because I have small fingers, I can't spread them properly, so I can play this. Let's hope this plays well. Plays beautifully. It can go down up to the lower notes and it plays very nicely. Thank you, Isha, for taking this video.